What is up, guys? God bless you all. Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do some work on my Hyundai Tiburon. So yeah, here we have my 1999 Hyundai Tiburon. This car was the one to be boosted instead of the Nissan Sentra, but for life reasons that couldn't happen, and here we are. So this car is basically bone stock. The only thing that have been done to it has aftermarket headers. It had a cold air intake, which I removed. It had lowering springs, which they are gone too. Right now the car is actually sitting on cut OEM springs. It does have a straw bar, and it used to have music system, but I removed all that. So on the last video that I make on this car, I replaced a wheel bearing, and now the car is running a lot better. So after that, I parked the car for a couple weeks, and when I drove it the other day, I realized that my flex broke on me. So right now the car is super loud, and I was trying to fix it up myself, but it's just too much job. I don't have the right welder, even though I have the Harbor Freight one, but that thing is junk. So I end up getting a whole header and flex assembly. So let me show you that right now. Boom. So here we have some Chinese eBay headers that I got from my car. This whole thing was about 80 bucks, which is basically the price of a brand new Flex 5 OEM one from Rock Auto. So because of that, I end up choosing this one. Plus it will actually be maybe an upgrade for my headers. These one are Megan Racing 4-to-1. Meanwhile, these eBay ones will be 4-to-2, 2-to-1, I believe. And it has a new flex pipe. I have a new gasket, and it will be an upgrade. So let's take this out of the box right now. So yeah, guys, there you guys have it. We have the headers and the flex pipe. I believe this piping is about 2.25 inches, so it will be a small upgrade to the stock one. So now we're gonna start removing this, and what we're gonna do, obviously we're gonna remove all the nuts. I PV blasted this already, and it could be a big chance that we're gonna have to remove the bracket from the power steering, because the flange just sit down a little bit on that corner. So let's go. Well, so this thing is a little more complicated than it looks. So I have no chance to put any power tools in here. I'm gonna have to do everything by hand. So I'm just gonna show you everything now, right now. And boom, actually I got the headers out. Have it right here. Again, these ones are in good shape. The reason I'm changing is because I was able to find this set with the flex pipe, and we're gonna mount this one right now. So finally, I was able to put the header in place. What I'm gonna do now, I'm going to actually start putting the nuts, and a couple of them I have the stud that came out with the nut all together. But when I put those down, when I put the bracket back from the power steering, and then after that I'm gonna get underneath to connect the flex pipe with the existing exhaust. So let's go. Boom. So headers are officially on. The power steering pump is back. If you guys are wondering, this is my ghetto fix for now. My pressure hose is leaking, and I got a dead alternator because all the fluid that's actually fell on my alternator, which is down there. So just got a rag, a couple of zip ties. Obviously it's not fixing the leak, but at least it's not messing up the alternator. That's something I'm going to be doing in the long run, but for now that should do it. So I have a mess. I actually got dirty my bath cover. I got dirt everywhere. So right now we're getting to the point where we're going to install intercooler I mean the flex pipe, and here is actually the one that came with the headers, and let me show you the one that I had on the car. So here we can see actually a little better, and that's how actually the flex pipe broke on me. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the flange all the way by the cat area, and hopefully this one should be a bolt on. So let's go. So successfully I got the flex pipe out, and actually let me show you how this thing broke. Here you guys can see how this thing actually broke. The way that this thing was, it was supposed to be like this, and of course took a crap on me. Tried to cut it because I was planning on welding a new flaps that I got on AutoZone, but thank you for the forums, they gave me the wrong information, so I ended up buying the wrong flex pipe. And after realizing that the flex pipe by itself, it was 25 bucks, plus I needed to get new bolts and new gaskets and everything, I ended up just buying the whole thing for 80 bucks. So yeah, I mean, just want to show you real quick this. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the O2 sensor the same way I did it with the other one, and put it in the new flex pipe and mount everything, because I want to listen to this engine. So let's go.
The next day.
It's the next day, and last night I ended up putting the flex pipe on. Let me show you. There you guys can see it. It looks very shiny, it looks very nice, but the issue that I have is that for some reason the flange that came with the new flex pipe and my old flange is not sealing properly. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set up the car and let you hear, because it sounds awful. Let's go. Guys, here we have the car on with the exhaust leak. It sounds awful. Muffler. That explains a lot. Wow. So yeah guys, that's gonna be it for this video. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. That's how you install a header on a 1999 Hyundai Tiburon. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day. If you like the video, give it a like. If you didn't like it, give it a dislike and let me know why. Don't forget to grab your merch. And I will see you on the next one. God bless you all.